How to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Bitcoin on your MoonPay. So let us begin. First step, open up your MoonPay. After you open up your MoonPay, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are logged into your account, what you'll need to do is go to the home page first. So let this load right here. So right here, after you're logged into your account, scroll down and you'll see popular assets. Right there, you should see Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. After you tap on Bitcoin, you will be able to see your Bitcoin and the rate it is currently on. You can see the weekly or the daily version or even the month or the year's option right here. Now, on the bottom, you should find Buy Bitcoin option. So simply tap on Buy Bitcoin. And after you tap on Buy Bitcoin, you should see this page open up. Now simply type in the amount that you want to buy Bitcoin for. And after you do that, tap on Continue. And after you tap on Continue, it might take some time to proceed. But after that, all you now need to do is enter your address and then your payment method. Now you can use your card or you can use any other payment method that you'd like. And after you go through the payment method, you'll have bought your Bitcoin on MoonPay. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.